Emma Goes Shopping English Story. Long Story for Beginners, Part 1. Planning the shopping trip. Emma is at home on Saturday morning. She says to herself, I need a new dress and maybe shoes. I have $20 today. I need to spend wisely. She opens her wallet and counts her money. 1, 2, 3. $20. Perfect. She thinks, I will go to the clothing store first. Maybe there is a sale. She puts on her coat, takes her bag and leaves the house. Part 2. Arriving at the clothing store. At the store, she sees a big sign. Big sale. Everything 50% off. Emma smiles. This is a good deal. I can buy a nice dress today. She looks around the store. There are many dresses. Red, blue, green, yellow, and pink. She touches a blue dress and asks the shop assistant, How much is this dress? It is $30, says the assistant. Emma thinks, Oh no, it is expensive. I have only $20. She walks to another dress. This red dress looks nice, she says. It is $25. Too expensive again. She sighs and looks around. Then she sees another small sign. Special discount today to 50% off. Emma is happy. Maybe now I can buy a dress. Part 3. Buying the dress. She asks the assistant, Is this dress half price? Yes. Today it is $15, says the assistant. Emma smiles. I can buy it. I will pay now. She goes to the cashier. Here is my money, she says. The cashier gives her a receipt. Thank you. Have a nice day, says the cashier. Emma leaves the store with the dress in her bag. I am happy. I got a nice dress for less money. Discounts are very helpful. She walks down the street. She sees another clothing store and a shoe store. I still want a pair of shoes. Maybe there is a sale there too, she thinks. Part 4. Buying shoes. Emma enters the shoe store. She looks at many shoes. Sneakers, sandals, boots and flats. She asks the shop assistant, How much are these shoes? They are $25, says the assistant. Emma looks at her money. I have only $5 left, she thinks. I cannot buy these shoes. She walks around the store. Then she sees a sign. Small shoes. Special price $5. Emma smiles. Yes, these are perfect. She goes to the cash register. Here is my money, she says. Thank you, says the cashier. Emma leaves the store with the shoes and dress. She is very happy. I used my money well. I am proud of myself. Part 5. Reflection and vocabulary review. Emma goes home. She sits on her bed. She thinks, shopping is fun. I learned many things today. I learned about prices, discounts, and money. I can say, I paid with my money. She bought a dress. He looked at the shoes. Emma smiles. Today I learned real English. I can shop alone now. I feel confident. Follow my channel for more daily English stories, vocabulary, and simple English learning. Every step you take improves your English.